Hi, welcome back to Clover Kitchen. My name is Carol Hamilton. I'm the 4-H agent in Spartanburg County in South Carolina. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a blueberry granola muffin. In our 2020 summer cook-off, there's going to be a breads contest, and our clover leaf age group is going to be able to make any kind of muffin. And so this is just one example of a muffin that you might decide to make. So we're going to start today. I've already washed my hands, I've sanitized my counter, I've measured all my ingredients, and I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees. But today we're going to start with our wet ingredients. So I have 2 eggs that I'm going to pour in my bowl, and I'm going to beat those up. We're just going to beat everything by hand today. There's no need for a stand or electric mixer. Your whisk will do just fine. Once I have my eggs beat up, I'm going to add half a cup of vegetable oil. And again, I'm going to mix those all together. Okay, and my last wet ingredient that I'm going to add to this mixture is going to be our vanilla extract. And that's going to be 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to measure that over the bowl, just in case my hands aren't steady. Perfect. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to beat those one more time. Now we have a nice consistent mixture of eggs, oil, and our vanilla extract. I'm going to set this aside for a minute and I'm going to come over to our dry ingredients. And I'm going to wipe my spoon off because we're going to use it again. So our dry ingredients today are going to be 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Our baking soda is our leavening agent today, and that means that's what's going to make our muffins rise. Now this is a chemical reaction that occurs. Baking soda is alkaline, and when it's mixed with acidic ingredients and heat, it creates carbon dioxide, which is going to make our muffins rise and give that nice fluffy texture. Okay, those are our dry ingredients for now, so I'm just going to gently stir those together. You could use another whisk. I'm not going to use the whisk I used for the eggs because I don't want it to clump onto the whisk right now. Once our dry ingredients are incorporated, I have 1 cup of Greek yogurt measured out. You could use sour cream, Greek yogurt, even a plain yogurt would work for this recipe. I really like the Greek yogurt because it has an acid taste to it, which mixes really well with our sweetness and the blueberries that we're going to add in a little bit. So we're going to mix our wet mixture and our Greek yogurt into our dry mixture now. So I'm going to put about half my Greek yogurt in to start, and about half of our egg mixture in. I'm just going to gently mix this together. The reason that we're not using an electric mixer today is we don't want to overbeat our muffins because that's going to make them fall flat, and they're not going to have the nice fluffy texture that we like to see in a muffin. Now that these are starting to incorporate, I'll go ahead and add the rest of my Greek yogurt mixture, and my wet ingredients. There's nothing sticking to the edges. There's the bottom of our bowl. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. How about you? I have 1 cup of granola. I made this granola yesterday. It has oats, walnuts, butter, cinnamon. You could do any type of granola. You could buy some granola from the store, or you can make your own. And I just baked that in the oven until it had a nice golden texture. So we're gonna add about half of our granola into the mixture, and the other half is gonna go on top of our muffins. And again, I'm just gonna fold it in. So we have this nice granola, crunchy texture throughout our muffins. And I love the nutty taste that this granola gives to the muffins. Okay, and the last ingredient that we're missing is our blueberries. So give me 1 minute, I need to wash our blueberries and I'll be right back. I'm back. So I have 1 cup of blueberries. You can use frozen blueberries, but you need to defrost them first and you need to drain off that extra liquid. Otherwise, your muffins are gonna be too runny. Because this batter is a nice thick consistency because we used Greek yogurt instead of a liquid dairy product, and we can actually mix our blueberries directly into this batter. If our batter wasn't this thick, we might consider putting our blueberries on the top of our muffins because they're gonna sink down and throughout the muffin. But because our batter is so thick, this is gonna work out really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour all my blueberries into my batter. I missed a stem there when I was washing. There we go. I'm just gonna gently fold these nice big blueberries in. Oh, these are gonna taste great. Once our blueberries are mixed throughout our mixture, we are ready to scoop out our muffins. So we're gonna use a regular muffin tin today, and we're not gonna use paper liners. We are gonna spray it with some vegetable oil, and we're just gonna coat each of the wells with this vegetable oil. This is going to allow our muffins to have a nice golden, crisp edge to them, rather than peeling that crisp edge off with a cupcake liner. I have a half cup measuring cup today. Now, most cupcake or muffin tins, you're gonna put anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 cup in. And this recipe makes 12 muffins. The last step before these muffins go in the oven is adding some granola crunch to the top. And I'm just gonna do this by hand. Just put a bit of granola on each of these. This is a great breakfast. It can also be a great snack or dessert. They don't last long in my house. Okay. And our muffins are ready to go in the oven. These muffins are gonna bake anywhere from 18 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna check on them at about the 15-minute mark just to see how they're doing, and I'll check back with you soon.